The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
Just don't see too many other companies of our size and scale with the institutional shareholder backing, with the cash position that we're in now with the 31 million Canadian, and with drills turning on 3 projects where we have an opportunity to really make some meaningful discoveries.
All right, welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Dan Symons. He is the CEO of C3 Metals. And Dan, great to see you again. How are you?
I'm doing well, Steve. Thanks for having me.
So again, more results out of Khaleesi. And like you've seen in the past, you must be pretty excited about what you're seeing so far.
Yeah, this is it's big for us. We've completed the first phase of drilling, 12 holes, completed copper mineralization intersected in 12 holes, six of which we've reported the assays on. 6 we know there's copper from visual observations. We're waiting on assays, but these were drilled over a kilometer by 500-meter footprint. So what we've done is we've confirmed real potential for a hydrothermal system of scale with this first phase.
The highlight holes that you showcased in the news release, you're pretty happy with what you're seeing? Is that consistent with what's been there in the past?
Yeah, I would say the one difference is we got mineralization right near surface now. So where we'd hit mineralization a little bit deeper earlier, we've now been able to bring that mineralization within 23 meters of surface, where we had over 100 meters of 0.37 copper equivalent within 23 meters of surface. So yeah, as you know, if you think about future potential economics for a deposit, the closer it is to the surface, the better the economics. So we're really happy to see that.
So you did about 6,300 meters, and you said you're still waiting for about 6 holes to come out. But this year you're planning to be super aggressive in your drilling as well. Are you concentrating in that particular area again, or is there waiting to see the results of the rest before you decide where you're going to go?
No, we're still going. So we're pending assays on 6 holes. We have 2 holes currently in progress. We've moved right into phase 2, 15,000 meter program that we think will get done by the end of this year. So by the end of this year, what's a greenfield project that we just started drilling on early Q4 2025, over 15 months, we should get over 21,000 meters into it. And really what we've learned from the first phase is potential for big system. It looks like the northeastern project area is getting a little more distal from the heat engine of the system, where as we move to the west and southwest, it looks like we're getting closer, seeing a more high temperature copper sulfide minerals. So if you look at our drill plan that we announced in the press release, you can see a lot of the future planned holes are trending to the west and southwest.
I know the big mining conference, PDAC, is coming up, and I'm sure you're going to be there as well. Talk to me a bit about what the message is you're bringing to a conference like that for your company, especially off of what you've seen so far in this first pass of the drill programs.
Yeah, I think what puts C3 Metals in a unique position is that we have drills turning on 3 projects. So we're really maximizing discovery potential for our shareholders. Obviously, Khaleesi this year, our budget for approved business units 13 million Canadian dollars, and then we expect to have about 8.5 million Canadian dollars going to our Jamaican business unit, split between 2 projects, but of which through partner funding, we're only funding about 500,000 of that. So it gives us a lot of what, in Canada we might say shots on net for maximizing discovery potential, and I just don't see too many other companies of our size and scale with the institutional shareholder backing, with the cash position that we're in now with the 31 million Canadian, and with drills turning on 3 projects where we have an opportunity to really make some meaningful discoveries.
Well said, Dan. Good to see you again. Congratulations on this, and enjoy the conference. It's going to be a fun one.
Thanks, Steve.
All right, Dan Symons, the CEO of C3 Metals.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.